Hi guys, so today our exam date has been released on LMS. So today we are going to see how to select our examination slot, okay, and which date we need to give the exam, which time. So first I'm going to log in here, and here we are going to log in. And here you can see our profile has been opened, and here is showing examination. You can see here is showing examination. So we will go first examination. Okay, and here you can see the first is showing back paper exam. So we didn't give any examination, so we are not in the back exam. Okay, so it will not show anything. So second, main admit card, it's showing here. So admit card is, they didn't upload it yet, but they will upload soon. Okay, and here you can see showing slot booking. Here is showing, first we will know about back admit card. We are not in back, so we will go the select booking form. And here you can see when you will go in this link, here slot booking, the camera will automatically open. Okay, and here we will select the main, and you can see click here capture image, it's showing, right? First we need to take a picture, then we can book the slot. Okay, so first I will capture my picture here. Okay, so after capturing our picture, then we can save the slot. After, we cannot save the slot because maybe for the some security, they are doing like this. So after saving, you can see there is a one option is open save, right, in the down. You can see here, it's open save option, right? So you can see the exam date has been released, principal and practices, everything. You can see the date, all exam is starting is in from February. Okay, we can select the time we need in the morning or we need in the evening. Okay, so as you are comfortable, you can select the slot. Okay, there is 1 month time, so you can think about this. Okay, no need to now select your slot, you can wait. Okay, here when we are selecting, it's showing, right, in the evening or in the morning, right? So I'm just giving you example. If you will select the time, it will show everything. I just need to take a screenshot for this. Just wait. Okay, so come on the video again. So all dates and everything is showing here. After you just think, yes, you need to give this exam, or then I think you cannot change after selecting the slot, and you need to select all in a one time, I think. Yeah, so after selecting the picture, then save option will be open. Okay, so first you need to take a picture, then you need to select the all which time is comfortable for you. There is time, so no need to worry about this. You can select after 20 Jan or 26 Jan, there is time. And after all these things, you can save. Okay, after save, I think you cannot change the time. Okay, so first think like when you are comfortable and everything, then save. Okay, so I will not save right now because it will be impact. Maybe I am not, I'm just showing the demo. So after your confirmation, after your thinking, then you save this video, then you save your slot. Okay, so I hope you got the all answer how to select your slot. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you got the all answer. Thank you so much.